Hey guys, this is Gabe from Donnie Ford Mount Vernon, here with a little bit of a rarity you don't see too much nowadays. We have a 2024 F-150 regular cab featuring an 8-foot bed. Come along with me as we explore some features why this should be your next truck. Reason number one, I stated before, an 8-foot bed. I don't know too many things you can't get done with an 8-foot bed. Second has got to be the legendary 2.7 liter V6 twin turbo EcoBoost, making 325 horsepower, 400 foot-pound torque. Plenty of power for this F-150. Third has got to be the interior of this vehicle. You get the nice throwback style with the vinyl seats, the vinyl flooring, but you also get a lot of the nice modern features with this huge touchscreen here, a nice digital cluster up front. Of course, you have selective drive modes and a lot of safety features that go with that as well. So guys, that's the reasons why you should purchase this new F-150. If you or somebody you know is looking for a single cab with an 8-foot bed, this is the truck for you. Stop in today, guys, and discover the Donnie difference.